Welcome back to Micki Quiz. Get ready for the ultimate Would You Rather challenge. From dream cars versus dream houses to unlimited money versus perfect health. Can you make the toughest choices? Stick around till the end and test your decision-making skills. Let's dive in. Eat only one meal forever? Pizza every day or burgers every day? Which one could you live with? Unlimited money or never get sick? Be the richest or stay perfectly healthy? What's your choice? Dream car or dream house? Luxury, sports car, or dream mansion? Which one would make you happier? Have a lifetime pet, loyal golden retriever, or independent Persian cat? Who's your perfect companion? Best place to live? Beachfront villa or cozy mountain cabin? Where would you rather wake up? Instant money or long-term fortune? $1 million today or $10 million over 10 years? Do you have patience? Give up a favorite food? No more chocolate or no fast food? What's the bigger sacrifice? Ultimate home upgrade? Self-cleaning house or personal chef? Which one makes life easier? Superpower choice. Never feel tired or never feel hungry? Which one sounds better? Travel in style. Private jet or private yacht? Which one would you rather own? Cutest new pet? Playful puppy or cuddly kitten? Which one do you take home? Coffee dilemma. Drink coffee every day or never have coffee again. Could you survive? Ultimate freebie. Free groceries forever or free gas forever? Which one saves more money? City versus countryside? Live in a high-tech, futuristic city or a peaceful nature retreat? What suits your vibe? Best deal ever? 50% off everything or one free shopping spree per year. Which one is smarter? Say goodbye to pain? Never have a headache or never have a stomachache? Which one would you rather avoid? Dream ride, supercar, or luxury SUV? What do you want in your garage? Best personal service, personal trainer or personal doctor? Which one would change your life? Snack battle, unlimited chips or unlimited sodas? What's your guilty pleasure? Perfect home trade-off. Small house in a great location or huge house in a boring place? Where would you rather live? Unique pet, talking parrot, or fluffy bunny? Which one would you rather own? Spicy challenge. Never eat spicy food again or only eat spicy food forever. Can you handle the heat? Best car? Tesla for tech or Lamborghini for speed? What's your dream drive? Ultimate outdoor space. Huge backyard or rooftop terrace? Where would you relax? Food preference? Home-cooked meals forever or unlimited restaurant takeout? What's more tempting? Best prize? Free luxury vacation or a brand new car? Which one would you take? Wild superpower? Never sleep or never need to eat? Which one would you choose? Cooking skills or freedom? Cook like a pro or never cook again? Which sounds better? Ultimate home luxury, swimming pool, or home theater? Which one would you enjoy more? Mealtime decision? Only eat breakfast foods or only eat dinner foods forever? What's your pick? Dream come true? Own your dream pet or own your dream car? Which would you rather have? Work-life balance? A job you love with low pay or a job you hate with high pay? What's more important? Unusual home? Live in a treehouse or an underground bunker? Which one feels like an adventure? Food heaven? Unlimited desserts or unlimited pizza? Which one could you eat forever? Only one drink forever? Water forever or only fruit juices? What's your choice? Sleep schedule? Always wake up early or always stay up late? Which one suits you? Ride of your life? Fast motorcycle or classic vintage car? Which one do you take for a spin? Crazy pet? Playful monkey? Or fierce but cool tiger? Which one do you adopt? Healthy forever? Always have fresh fruit or always have fresh veggies? What's better? Dream home? Live in a fairy tale castle or a modern penthouse? Which lifestyle fits you? Own a business? Cozy coffee shop or popular fast food restaurant? What would you run? Bad food trade-off. Always eat salty food or always eat bland food? Which is worse? Home upgrade, home gym, or home office? Which one is a must-have? Tough temperature choice? Always have cold showers or never use air conditioning? What's worse? Sweet business? Own a bakery or own a candy store? Which one would be more fun? Food restriction? Never eat bread again or never eat cheese again? Which one is harder? Sweet versus fizzy? No more chocolate or no more soda? Which one would you sacrifice? VIP service? Have a butler or a personal driver? Who do you hire? Living situation? Live alone in a mansion or share a luxury apartment? What's your ideal setup? Free for life? Unlimited coffee or unlimited burgers? Which one are you choosing? That was 50 crazy choices. Which ones were the hardest for you? Drop your answers in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more fun questions. See you in the next one!